So you want to know how to make more sales in under 3 minutes? Alright guys, so we're starting off on the computer today because we're going to take off the powered by Shopify symbol or logo that's, you know, at the very bottom of your store. And you know, you'll get more sales for sure, because it has that extra oomph of like, this guy's reliable, right? And I'm going to that right there. And you know, especially if they know what Shopify is and stuff like that, and AliExpress and dropship, if they know about it, you know, like have an idea of it, and they're gonna like, oh, this guy's just doing that, you know, just trying to take for my money, which you are, you know, in a sense, but we're trying to do it in the best way possible, right? So we're gonna go under the themes, right? You're gonna click on your store, then right under the themes, we're gonna go under actions. Oh wait, I said under 3 minutes, so let's start. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, so we're gonna go under edit code, under the actions, and on the search bar we're gonna type in footer.liquid. That's what you want to click on, and you want to go to like line 160 something. Shop name powered by right here. You want to take that off. You want to take off the whole thing. Alright, you guys are engineers right now. You guys are software engineers right now. Site for payment icons. There's another one right here. It should be line 186 or 185. Alright, and we're gonna save it, and we're gonna preview it. Yep, we're gonna go over here. I'm gonna preview for you guys. Alright, so we're gonna go under right here, and let's go to the very bottom, and there you go, just like that. Under 3 minutes, you guys are gonna make more sales, guys. Alright, so that's covered it for today. Hope you guys tomorrow. Hope I see you guys tomorrow. Alright, see you dudes.